under their curse. All right, YouTube, starting my Sunday morning. I got a no heat at this restaurant. On the thermostat. Cycled it, we are calling for heating. Let's get on the roof and see what we got up there. All right, what do we got here? One package unit, there it is. Shit ton of ductwork. Got a disconnect right here. This looks slippery. All right, heating section. Maybe some controls. Okay. Daikin. Uh-oh. Bam! All right, let's I'm gonna take this cover off and see if I even have power to it. 2A230 3-phase. Should be the old 5/16. Two of those little rascals right there. Oy, 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 oy. All right. Okay. Look at that aluminum coil for the air conditioning. Let's see what we got voltage wise. Okay, that's AC volts. Getting another phone call, so there's no voltage to the top. Let's see the feeds from the bottom. Yep, I hate when they do that with ground wires and blue. All right, we got sauce. High voltage we have. All right, so we got high voltage. I do see a little smoky smokestacks on the circuit board there. Let's see, does that board even have a fuse? It does have a 3-amp fuse. I haven't checked. Let's see if we have low voltage at the transformer. And that'll start telling us a little story right there, right? If I can get in there. Yep. So I got high voltage, I got low voltage. So let's take a look at this fuse. I think the fuse is good. So now I'm thinking controls, like thermostat issue. Yep, that's good. Okay, we'll get this guy back in there. Like you can hear it clicking and ticking. Maybe it's calling in the inducer motors. Goner. Okay. Yep, I heard it click. Now that click probably be for my inducer motor. That's what I'm thinking. Now how's that gonna trap the gas when it's like that? Come on, people. Santa Cruz special. Oh, look how dinky that inducer motor is. I dropped the panel. dinky dow and a little capacitor on it, like all kinds of spider webs. Hasn't ran in a long time. All right, I found some fault codes. Look, 1, 2. Two beeper. And did we even get a list? Maybe on here. Two blinks, pressure switch open. Check pressure switch. All right. Maybe we're going back to the inducer motor. I'm gonna see if we could do a restart on the circuit board. Do a reset, let that power down for a sec. Here's the gas. Yep. Grab the tube off of this. Yep, it'll blow through. Very good. All right, let's see what happens here. Repower. See, I hear the relay. That sounds like the relay going for the inducer motor. So let me follow these two back and see if we got voltage. 230 volt, 3000 RPM. Blue and red. Right here. And that comes off that relay. And the purple comes off right there. Yep. Don't try this at home, kids. That's hot. So between the middle leg and that leg, I should have 230, and then that's going to tell me the inducer's a goner. Very common. Volts AC. There it is, dead inducer motor. Well, to see if we can get one, Team Daikin. Kill power again. Let's check this little capacitor that's on this inducer motor real quick. And it looks like we're going to be parts order mode. Daikin, that'll be Norman S. Wright. Daikin parts, or maybe Supply House. There it is. The rating on this one, 2 microfarads. Let's see what we get. Two microfarads special. Get that dude. Look at this dude. 1.6. That's probably close enough, but does it give us a percentage on this one? Plus or minus 5%. So yeah, the problem is the motor is a goner. It freewheels, but it doesn't run. So I was spinning it right here. You see the fan moving? So it's not locked up. Let me get a picture, a good picture there. That was a video. I want a photo. Okay. Okay, see if we can find a part. All right, I'm gonna button this one back up. And we'll go down to the van and We can try the interwebs real quick, and then I gotta go over to the dry cleaners and change that solenoid valve out today. Okay. And I need that model and that serial number, Team Daikin. So even though I got the picture on my phone, I like to make a little logbook, see? And I'm gonna try and write down as much info as I can. Oh, I gotta go get the model. I forgot to get the model and serial number off the unit. Come on, Dave.